Hello family, friends, bushcraft buddies, truck driving buddies. Coming time for another giveaway. I'm getting close to 500. So I'm gonna let this go. I think I got 476, 477, somewhere in there. I'm gonna let this this giveaway go until I either get 500 subscribers or my kuma knife comes in. I'm doing two different drawings. I'm doing one for my bushcraft, and it's going to be this little lixada stove here. Comes in this little mash bag. Comes with a little alcohol burning canister. Put it together. This little tray goes down inside to put your wood in. It's an alcohol burner. It's a wood burner. It's a gasifier. If you use your wood in here, it's a gasifier. It's a knockoff of the Silverfire Scout. It's a lixada. I love the lixada stoves. I think I'm going to start doing a series on the lixada stoves. I really like the lixada stoves. I've owned a couple of them now. So when I bought me one of these, I bought one for my giveaway. It's got the little fold-out pot holders on it and everything. I've already used this one. As you can see, it's been used. It works really good. But I have a brand new one still in the package, never been taken out of the package, that's going to be given away in my giveaway. So for my bushcraft buddies, I'm giving away this gasification stove here, wood gas fire stove that you can also put a alcohol stove in, a Trangia stove in. I've used a Trangia stove in this, works real well. And that's going to go to my bushcraft buddies. So I got a brand new one still in the box. For my the other side of my channel where I do my cooking, all of my cooking buddies, I ordered a kuma knife. So I'm going to have two drawings, two giveaways, one for my bushcraft buddies, one for my cooking buddies. So what I want everybody to do is comment on this video and share this video so other people comments on this video, so I don't lose track of everybody that's commenting that wants in the giveaway. So share this video, comment on this video, just say I'm in, I want to win. And I'm going to have two drawings. I'm going to use that number calculating thingy that we use on YouTube all the time for giveaways. And the first time I push it is either going to be for the bushcraft stuff, and the second time I push it will be for the other cooking friends that I got for the kuma knife. Or I'll do it the other way around. I don't know which one I'm going to do first. I don't know how many people's going to get in on it. But when I hit 500, I'll do that, or when my kuma knife comes in, whichever happens first. So just comment on this, say I'm in. Share my video. You have to be a subscriber to win. And that's it for now. Good luck. God bless. See you on the next video.